On October the 30th, 2022, at about 4 a.m., what started out as a simple traffic stop quickly spiraled into something much bigger. A young woman in Florida, dressed for a night out, found herself face to face with an experienced officer who'd seen this story play out one too many times. What happened next shows just how fast a routine stop can turn into a life-changing moment.
How are you?
Hi, good.
You got your driver's license on you?
Yes, I was just picking up my friend from Northport.
Where are you headed to?
Well, she lives in Northport. I was just trying to.
Thank you. You got your registration check?
I'm so sorry.
Your fake cut had scared me when I walked up. Forgot tomorrow's Halloween.
Pardon?
I said your fake cut had scared me when I walked up.
Oh.
Forgot tomorrow's Halloween. I'm like, oh boy.
I know, right?
So, reason I got stopped, few things. When you're sitting at the light back here to make the left,
Yeah.
you're all the way out in the intersection.
Oh, okay.
Like, you were past the crosswalk, but you were on Toledo Blade for making the left.
Okay.
The tags on the car, is the car registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the tags on the car expired back in March,
Yes, sir.
or April, I'm sorry. And your license is suspended. Did you know your license was suspended?
I was trying to renew it. I'm actually working on it because I was working with the Sarasota court about it, so I was working on actually renewing it, everything.
Okay.
So I apologize about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where were you all coming from tonight?
I was just picking her up. She was in trouble because she was at a house, like from a friend's house or something.
Mm-hmm.
I was trying to bring her back home so I can just because she didn't have a car or anything, so I was just trying to pick her up back home.
So you were on your way to pick her up?
Yes. I just had to, because he was...
Because your GPS just had you going home in Sarasota.
Yes, that was my home, but she called me recently, just around a second ago, and she actually said if I can drop her off home and then go home, because I live in Sarasota, that would be nice. So she wanted me to turn around and just get her and then go home.
Okay.
She lives about 10 minutes from here, I think.
Where were you all out at tonight?
I was just at her house, at the other friend's house. I work here in Charlotte at the Hooters.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a bunch of friends that live out here.
Mm-hmm.
I was just in one of their friends' house, and then I was planning on going back home, and she just called me. She was just like, hey, can you pick me up so I can drop her back off home, and I'll drive back home with her.
So where's the club wristband?
Oh, that was from the other night. That was from like Friday, I think, or something.
Okay.
I live in Sarasota, so it's not like...
Okay.
I was just down here because I worked in Sarasota in Port Charlotte today morning from about 10:30 to about 4 p.m. And then we met at a friend's house. We just got ready for Halloween. And we met at a friend's house, and I was just trying back home. Like, I wanted to go back home, but she called me. She's like, hey, can you bring me to my home real quick?
Do me a favor, hop out real quick.
Yeah.
Let's have a conversation. Alright, we'll come right back over here so we'll get that. So, listen, tonight's not my first night doing this.
Okay.
Where are y'all really coming from?
Literally from the house, Jill's house is her name is. It's from Sister Menacee Terrace or something. Yeah.
How much have you had to drink?
Not really anything of that. I literally just we were just like talking and more or less.
Okay. As your eyes are bloodshot and glossy, your speech is slightly slow.
I'm just very tired, that's all. It's been a very long night. I've been working all day too, so.
And there's alcohol coming off of you. Okay? So, what I'd like to do is check your eyes, do a couple exercises, make sure you're feel that. Can you stand with your feet and heels together like this?
Yes.
Arms straight down your side. The very tip of the pen right here where my finger is, can you see that?
Yep. Yep.
With your left pointer finger, I want you to reach up, touch the tip of the pen, and put it back down your side. That's your right.
Oh, my left.
I'm going to move it back and forth in front of your face a few times.
Okay.
I want you to keep your head straight
Okay.
and just follow it back and forth with your eyes.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Keep your head straight. Just look back and forth with you. Keep your head straight. No. And then right here, obviously you see this fog line right here?
Yep.
What I want you to do is put your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe.
Like this?
Yes. Your right in front of your left. Yes. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps down the fog line. On your 9th step, you're going to leave your front foot planted on the ground, and you're going to turn yourself around by taking a series of small steps. I'm going to demonstrate all this to you as well. And then you're going to take 9 heel-toe steps back down the line. Make sense so far? 9th step, front foot stays on the ground. Turn yourself around by taking a series of small steps, and then 9 heel-toe steps back. And once I tell you to begin the exercise, don't stop it until it's complete. So go ahead and get back with your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe. If you have no questions, you can go ahead and begin.
4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2. Like that?
How did I explain the exercise?
You turn like that?
Yeah.
Alright. 1, 5.
You can turn back around. On your side, I want you to tilt your head slightly back, close your eyes, and recite the alphabet from the letter A to Z.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, C. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm from Switzerland.
When I tell you to, I'm going to tell you left or right. Whatever side I tell you, I want you to take the tip of that finger, touch the tip of your nose, and then bring it right back down your side. Close your eyes. Right? Do you think if I give you a number to start on, you can count backwards to another?
Yes, sir.
So, I want you to tilt your head slightly back, close your eyes, and I want you to start on the number 46 and count backwards to the number 29.
46, 35, 44, 43, 42, 31, 40, 39, 38, 39, 30. 39, 38, 37, 36, 6, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28.
What number, do you remember what number I told you to start the top one?
You said start at 38 and then start at 49 is, I forgot what the second one. I just didn't.
Okay.
From the moment the officer walked up, Naomi's story didn't quite add up. Her GPS showed she was heading home, yet she claimed she was picking up a friend. She had a club wristband on, her eyes were bloodshot, and she stumbled through her words. During the field sobriety tests, it became clear this wasn't just about expired tags. The officer's training kicked in, and what looked like nerves turned into undeniable signs of impairment.
Just do me a favor, put your hands on your back, put your palms together, praying. You're under arrest for DUI.
She didn't do so hot on those tests, and she really didn't want to get arrested.
DUI.
But I'm not drunk.
Okay, I'll explain it all to you, man. Just look back forward.
But I did everything that you asked me to, right?
Alright.
I'll do everything. I promise. Sir, I'm from Switzerland. I can't have a DUI, please. I want to get out of I don't want to get kicked out of it. I promise I'll have somebody pick me up. Please, I'll leave my car here, like you said you would.
We can't leave a car here, and I never said we would.
Or I mean, like, but
So, you are going to jail for DUI.
please, sir, please.
It's out of my hands.
I wish I'll pick myself up, please, sir. I don't want to go out of the U.S., please. Sir, it's going to ruin my whole life.
That does. So let's go ahead and walk back over.
But you're the one arresting me, right?
Yes, I am the one arresting you, but the decision to make the arrest is already out of my hands now. So let's walk back over.
Why?
Everything you think because you get arrested doesn't mean you get convicted of this. So take a breath. This isn't the end of it.
Naomi was arrested for DUI that night and refused the breath test, which usually means an automatic license suspension. But with her license already suspended multiple times, the bigger hit came later. Prosecutors downgraded the charge to reckless driving. A hard reminder that no matter how small it begins, one wrong decision on the road can follow you for years.